this is my 2013 CrankedUpBMX bike check. Start from the top. Got some ODI bar ends, some Oddie Station grips, some Season Zenith Pro bars. They're pretty nice with bar spins. Proper Bikeco stem. It's really bad. I got it cracked like in 2 places, so not very good. Got a vocal headset. It's pretty nice. Got some Sabrosa forks from Elias Bishop. So probably cracked somewhere. Because he does some mad flare whips and stuff, don't he?
Oh yeah.
The way he holds his bars when he rides, I mean, shout out to Elias Bishop. United Direct tyre in 2.3. That's really nice. Nice foot jams. Odyssey has a light rim. That's nice, but if you like have really loose spokes and then ride on it, it like bends the rim really easily. So not too cool. Got some Primo spokes. Alright. Profile hub. It's quite old now, so it doesn't run that well. So I'll probably get rid of that soon. Then I've got the CrankedUpBMX hangover frame in red. I love it already. I've only had it for a few days, but one of the nicest frames I've ever ridden. Got the CrankedUpBMX jack seat. Is it the jack seat? Union jack seat with the We're the People post. It's really light. I quite like that. It's really light. Nice with toboggans. Stolen mob cranks. They're cheap, so I got them. Not really great cranks, but they'll do. Got some Colony pedals. They're really good, nice and grippy. Yeah. Federal sprocket. It's not mine, it's Charlie Horn's. So yeah, I've had that for a while. I think it's a KMC chain. It's not very nice. It's not very good because I snapped it yesterday. Charge. Doing a 180. I mean, that's a really hard trick, that, isn't it? Right. Onto the back wheel. Got Odyssey Street Path tyre. I think it's a P-Light. And Odyssey has a light rim, both in blue, with some more Primo spokes and a gold BSD hub. It's the street one. It's quite nice. Oh yeah, and the bars are 30 wide with 9-inch rise, I think. And the frame's 20.6, which is quite nice and short, so it's nice to spin on and stuff. Chantel Yates 52.
Algan Meto. Is that Meto or Meto?
Underscore Billy, underscore Joe, underscore.
And Wyland 12.
Ambi Pop 1.
Yasmian. That's my own name. T.
Stefan X11X.
At Joy Akatan. I thought that said Akin, like Odyssey Akin.
Indie underscore Days.
Ella Mayal. At Ice Pop.
Squin Gaming.
That's my brother. At Fallout
Yes.
underscore 353. He's a twat. He said no when I said subscribe. So you're a twat.
No, you got a little twat. Why have you got him as a shout out then?
Because I didn't want to call him a twat.
Oh, right.
He said no.
Cami underscore Hodgin.
Portsmux at Bridge Dobby. Right, sit. Sit. Lay down. There you
Yes.
go. Noella. Is that 10 or Noello? Noella 1015, I think.
Lisa Clack.
At
That's what it says.
Chloe Erilyn underscore 12.
21.
21.
Little Blondes 101.
Slosh is like 6'4". 20 is that little blonde. Abir Singupta. 5.
Sengupta. Aban Sengupta.
5.
Polar Candy.
Oh my god.
The
Tribble with Tracy.
Quentin Carter 2.
At Mr. Physicu. At Paris is my home.
Yeah, if you send us a message on Twitter, a little link thing.
Here.
and then send him a message. Is it a person? Let's see if it's
DM.
DM. Then we'll give you a shout out if you subscribe to us. Thanks for watching my bike check and shout us out. Yes. Is it?